Hello everybody, I'm going to give another shop tour update. This is Steve with Upstream Data. Just expanded our Lloydminster facility to the last bay. The tenant just finally moved out and we took it over. And I'm going to start here and walk through the shop and show you what we've been up to. So we got this at May 1st, so we're still getting stuff ready, moved over. This is now the end of the building. This is the actual biggest commercial building in Lloydminster. And we now have 80% of the building. We're just missing the front office space. Yeah, starting in here, this is going to be the new welding and steel, like metalworking area. So we really wanted this part of the building because this is the part of the building with the big heavy cranes. So each side of this section, this is an additional 15,000 square feet, and another side on that side, another 15,000 square feet. A couple 10-ton cranes over here, and on the other side, as you'll see, there's a couple 20-ton cranes. So we just started moving the welders over here, getting things set up. There's going to be a bunch more machines coming in, another laser table, and who knows what else we'll end up ordering. But just started manufacturing here this week. So right now it's just all building skids and small parts for engines, generators, and the like. Finally we desperately needed more office space, so a couple more shop offices there, 3 more there. And I'll swing over to this side. So this is the other side of the new shop extension. So this is where all the buildings will be assembled. So the skids will be done, over that side, painted, put over here, and then we'll start assembling the buildings. So all the wall panels and the like that we build are now in the old side of the fab shop, which I'm about to walk into. A couple more offices, which we need. Just getting some of the marketing crap out of the way. Yeah, so this is 30,000 square feet, and now we're entering back into our old, call it the last few years we've been in this shop. We use a smaller laser table for the sheet metal cutting, getting a larger one for thicker steel plates that'll go in that welding bay. So this is basically now, the welders used to be over here, they're now going over there. This is all the sub-assembly sheet metal work and urethane panel work will be moved into here shortly. So a lot of just moving stuff around right now, getting things ready, but we're not doing anything with this area. This is the cut to length where we take the sheet metal, cut it for the wall panels. It comes in with coil like that. I've explained that before, leaves like that. So yeah, so this will be all the sheet metal working, urethane panel chopping, the sub-assembly work, before it goes into a bigger building. This place, which has been another cluttered area for a long time because we've been doing warehousing, shipping and receiving in here, storing in the urethane. These are the urethane sandwich panels, also known as polyurethane wall panels. All the door prep, urethane, all that stuff will go over there. Aluminum channels for the urethane, all that'll go over there. Chop saws, everything. This will get cleaned out, and this section that has always been the parts and warehousing area will expand. This will be a dedicated warehousing bay. And this bay has no cranes. That's why it is that way. It's also the shop office, which is actually our main office in this location because we don't have the front side of the building yet. And yeah, we are, listing our certifications. We're actually in a certified permit to practice APEGA engineering firm because we don't do engineering services like externally, but we do design work and are required by law to uphold that. We have, where is it? bunch of other certs like CSA certification for steel buildings. Some of our machinists have their ERA engine rebuilder certification. But yeah, this is basically the parts area. So nothing I haven't shown before. Machine shop. It's where we're doing engine rebuilds. So, you know, customers, either oil field or semi-diesel, like larger engine platforms will, you know, Cummins and the like, will send their engines to us. This would be an oil field engine. This is just partially stripped down V8 engine, like common style that we rebuild. So our staff will clean it up, strip it all down to the base parts, do a new rotating assembly, you know, resurface the heads, re-hone the block, whatever's required. And this is sort of an example of what it might look like when it's done. When it goes through the machine shop, all nice and painted, all rebuilt. New parts were needed. We're just doing some parallel gen testing right there. But yeah, this nothing's changing with our machine shop. We're probably gonna expand it. But we got the CNC head machine, Rottler honing machine, and some other machinery to rebuild the engines. This will get decluttered now. We had to stuff some idle gen packages and the like in here, and we have room to grow the machine shop now. And this area has probably been maybe the biggest pain point. This is where we finish our hash generators and hash huts and large genset packages. So this is like our electrical bay. But in this bay, we don't have big cranes. They're only 5 tons. They can't lift any of these buildings. So we have to do tandem with forklifts. I mean, this building right here is going to Devon Energy in the US on a microgrid. It's basically replacing a load bank with a load center. So this is a Texas edition air-cooled Bitcoin mining load center with some customizations for Devon. And this is basically a Cadillac of a package. This is like our Texas edition. I'm not gonna go show that right now, but it's easily the highest performing air-cooled product on the market, and it's not even close for sound and cooling. It's got everything. And I can give references that would vet that claim. This is a 160 kilowatt hash generator getting built up. That'll be the engine room there, the Bitcoin mining room. The boys are doing some work on electrical. Yeah. Here's another one. No, this is a 800. This is a smaller version of that green building that is basically half rated. So this is going to Canada. It's effectively the shell of an 800 kilowatt hash hut, but it's rated for less. It's rated for 400. And it's another one, same client. So a little bit of inventory happening over here. A lot of that will get consolidated now as we shift, because these electrical guys are all going to move down to the big bay for final assembly. And this is another beast that we build in Canada, but we also mostly build this in the US in our Casper facility. This is a 325 kilowatt hash generator with a 22 liter Mesa genset. So a full power plant and Bitcoin mine all in one. This one's basically ready to go. There's actually a customer who's buying this is requesting an auxiliary breaker panel to feed their site load. So it's going to replace a generator system that's normally on rent or something they purchase just to power the site. They're going to power a Bitcoin load and the generator load. And then lastly, this whole area will be the electrical panel subassembly for like VFDs, switchgear, all the little stuff we do for our Bitcoin product and generator product. This is a VFD subassembly that'll go to Schlumberger. It's basically a white label. They'll package their drive in it, finish it off, and sell it to their client. We do VFDs here as well and are doing small MCC buildings. So yeah, that's about it. 80,000 square foot of shop space now. Better handling on all the big equipment to help throughput, shop efficiency, capability. Last year we did a huge building, not huge, but large building that was 2 of those 325 kilowatt gen sets in it. Handling that was a nightmare for us because we didn't have the cranes. So that's why I am super pumped to get the cranes. And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to check in and show you guys what's new at Upstream Data.